hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, okay. First question is, who is the developer of C? Chapter is getting started with C++. Chapter getting started with C++. Jarnes Frostrup. That is your phone, no? So the character first is character set. Character set ഏതൊക്കെയാന്ന് നോക്കാം. What are the different character sets? What are the different character set used in C++? Letters, digits, special characters, white spaces, and other characters. Letters means uppercase and lowercase letters, small letters, alphabets, and digits are 0 to 9, and special characters are plus, minus, slash, etc. Then white spaces, space, tab, carriage return, etc. and other characters. Altogether, these characters are known as character set. Next is tokens. What are the different tokens used in C++ language? What are the different tokens? Keywords, identifiers, literals, punctuators, and operators. Therefore, tokens are keywords, identifiers, literals, punctuators, and operators. What are keywords? Some examples of keywords are float, continue, break, delete, do, catch, else, int, long, etc. Okay. Keywords are there. 48 keywords are there. Identifiers means what? That are used to name different program elements. For example, memory, location, statements, functions. So you have to follow some rules. Identifiers. One of the rule is identifiers is an arbitrary long sequence of letters, and the first character must be a letter or underscore. A letter or underscore. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers. And upper and you have to follow for the identifiers that are used in the C++. Can you write some examples of identifiers? Some examples are literals are the values, initial values that they never change their value. You can say it is a constant. There are 4 types of literals used in C++. Integer literals, floating literals, and string literals. What are the 4 different literals used in C++? Integer literals, floating point literals, and string literals. For integer literals, 77 minus 72. Examples of floating point literals: 52 minus 71.8. Examples. Character literals. Character literals only one character, and it is only enclosed by single quotes and only one character there in the character literals. Means a group of characters and it is enclosed by double quotes. A group of characters that And third token is semicolon, single quotes, double quotes, opening and closing parenthesis, square bracket, curly bracket. Operators. Operators are mathematical operators are the relational operators. Therefore, tokens are classified into 5 keywords, identifiers, literals, one by one on in the chat box. Okay, these are the mathematical operators. Relational operators are less than, greater than, less than or equal to operators. So the first one in C++, data type and by data type. Data types means that to identify and a set of operations can be performed on the data. That is the definition of data types. Set of operations that can be performed on the data. The C++ data types are mainly classified in user-defined data types, fundamental data types, and derived data types. What are the different category classification of data types? Second one, fundamental data types. And user-defined data type, fundamental. Mainly two. And one of the fundamental data type is void. Void means nothing. And other two and floating data types are float and double. Integral data types are int and char. Write in the chat box what is the first integral data types? Int. Point data types float and double. And the last one is void. Okay. The next is variables. Next is what? Variable. It's a symbolic name given to the memory location through which what is variable name? Variable name is a symbolic name given to the memory location. Example of variable name A, and for follow the rules of the identifiers. Next is operators. Operators are classified into two: unary operator and ternary operators. What are they? Ternary operators. In unary operator, only one operand and one operator and one operand. In binary operator, there are two operands, one operator and two operands. A plus B is an example. A plus B. A plus is the operator. And ternary operator, in ternary operator there are three and two operator and two operators. This is an example for this ternary operator is operator, conditional operator, question mark. Two operators used here. One is question mark and the other one is colon, and three operands we can use here. Operators. Arithmetic operators are star for multiplication, slash for division, forward slash, and percentage for modulus gives the remainder. Modulus gives the remainder. Operators. Example, write the example of one plus operator, A plus B, 10 plus 9. These are the example of plus operator. And minus A minus Y, 10 minus 2. And for star operator, 10 stars 3. Okay. Then for division, x slash 10 slash 2. And for modulus, x percentage y 10. That is the answer of 10 percentage 1, and the x 10 divided by 3, it will give 3. 10 percentage 3 will give 1. Okay, next operator is relational operators. Relational operators are let's checking double equal to, and for not equal to, exclamation equal to. Okay. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and so on. Let me wind up the this. Okay.